Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you search like a pro. Search properly on Google. This is tips and trick for you that's regularly using Google Chrome, Google search as your browser. So the first thing is this site. So you want to search something by site. For example, site a football manager here. So you will be directly to a go to specific site about a football manager here, and also there is a after and before. For example, football manager after 2024. So this is like a to get result after certain years. And also before, you can use a this before also to get a result after certain years before. And you can use minus key to exclude terms. Football manager minus a football manager mobile. So it will be a like this. And also you can use or keyword to find result of one or the other. For example, a football manager or football manager mobile here. And also related, you can use a related get sites that are similar to the one you're looking for. For example, a football manager related related football manager.com. So you will get result a site that's similar with the football manager.com. And also you can use the advanced search. You can use this more these tools to get the to use this advanced search. So this is the advanced search. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.